Hello there, friends. Mickey Marvel here. This time, we're taking a behind-the-scenes look at a Carmen Sandiego photo shoot that I recently did. I thought this was a lot of fun, and so I wanted to share that fun with you. Huge shout out to my friend, my fellow artist, and a great photographer, Barry, who not only was the photographer for this photo shoot, but also provided the costume. Dressing up as Carmen Sandiego was Barry's idea. Thank you so much, Barry. We had a lot of fun shooting this together. The costume was about $40 on Amazon. You can tell that this is the retro version of the Carmen Sandiego costume. What came with this costume was it had the hat, it had that scarf, and then it also had like the dress, the coat. It did not come with the wig, and it did not come with the gloves. Those were just two things that I just happened to already have. And then I also, of course, got the fringe curtain. These fringe curtains are really, really popular right now. This was the first time I bought one. Finally, I bought one. Now, look, I mean, obviously we all know Carmen Sandiego, but I have a confession to make. I have not seen the new Carmen Sandiego show. I've heard really good things, but look, I need to know, should I watch it? Should I put in that commitment? Let me know in the comments. I've heard good things, but it's so hard for me to commit to new shows nowadays. And I'll tell you something else though. Somebody recently reminded me of that like old game show that was like, was that the 90s? The Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego game show in the 90s? Oh my gosh, I think I need to find that because I remember watching that show. And I remember nothing about it. I just remember that I watched it. Now, obviously, you might be wondering, like, where did we do this photo shoot? And so I thought a cool thing to share with you all would be to tell you that this photo shoot was actually done remotely. Just outside of like my little frame here, I have my DSLR connected to my laptop, which is then like with Wi-Fi and with software going to Barry. Barry and I are actually on a Zoom call, and Barry is able to completely take photos of me remotely with my DSLR though, so they're still like high quality photos. This has been so much fun and able to keep being creative and collaborating with fellow artists during the pandemic. And Barry was my very first guinea pig. The first time that we tried to do it, it was like a hot mess. And so just huge shout out to Barry and to these remote photo shoots for keeping us active in these times. This costume was also recently used for a sketch with PSL Comedy. We were just like talking and chatting about Carmen Sandiego, and I was like, well, fun fact, I actually have a costume. And anyway, it was in that sketch. I might post it, a link to it below. I love this costume, and I could really see wearing it to cons if cons ever come back. But I just love wearing it around because it's so chill. It's very fun to wear. I could see it being a great late night drinking costume, not serious costume. And that's one of my favorite things about cosplay. If you're digging this kind of vibe, feel free to like and subscribe here on YouTube because I have a feeling in the coming weeks we're going to really be diving into these kind of chill vlogs and cosplay content. I also do stream on Twitch, and you can catch me at twitch.tv/MikkiMarvel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I'm feeling I'll do many more behind the scenes style videos like this in the future because I have so many. But thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.